morning, students. In your previous class, I have started the chapter food, our basic need. There I have taught you till vitamins and minerals. So today I will complete the rest of the chapter and starting with dietary fiber and water. Now what is a dietary fiber? Let's read. Food items such as cereals, corn, green leafy vegetables and fruit contains fiber that cannot be digested by our body. The part of the plant food that cannot be digested is called dietary fiber. So one thing is very clear, we get dietary fiber from plants like corn, cereals, green leafy vegetables and fruits. Now what is a dietary fiber? The part of a plant food that cannot be digested is called dietary fiber. It helps to remove waste from our body. Hence dietary fiber is very important for our body. Next is water. Water is also very important part of our diet. What is a diet? Diet is actually whatever we eat daily in our food is called diet. Our body needs water for all its function. We should drink plenty of water every day. So water is a very important thing in our life. Without water, no animals or human can survive. So what is the function of this water in our body? So water helps to deliver nutrients and oxygen in the cells of our body, and it also regulates the temperature of our body, and it also flush out the toxins and waste material from our body. Next is balanced diet. A diet that has all the nutrients in the right amount, dietary fiber and water is called a balanced diet. Now, what is the nutrients? We have already learned in our previous lesson that nutrients are carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. So, if our diet has all these nutrients, dietary fiber and water, then we can call it a balanced diet. Now next is preservation of food. If food items are kept for a long period of time and not stored properly, they get spoiled. Such food items are bad for our health. Preservation of food prevents it from getting spoiled. We can preserve food in a number of ways. Now why do we need to preserve our food? We need to preserve our food to prevent it from getting spoiled. If we buy some vegetables and kept it like that, it will get spoiled after a few days. So we need to keep all our vegetables, fish, chicken in a freeze. So there are a number of ways in which we can preserve our food. Like the first one is drying. Removing the water content of the food. So by removing the water content of the food, we can preserve it for a long period. Like example, drying grapes to get raisins. So you know what is a raisin? Raisins is basically kismis. So how we can preserve the grapes? We can preserve the grape by drying it under the sun. Next is pickling. So everyone, I think all of you like pickles. Pickles means achar. So how we make pickles? We use, like if I want to make mango pickle, we will use some raw mango. With it we will use salt, oil, different type of spices. So in this way we can keep that raw mango or we can preserve that raw mango for a longer period. Okay. So mixing fruits and vegetables with salt and oil is called pickling. For example, mixing mango, lime and other vegetables with oil and salt. Next is refrigerating, keeping food in the fridge to preserve it for a shorter time. So whatever we buy from the market like fresh vegetables, chicken, fish, we keep it in the fridge to preserve it from get spoiling. Next is deep freezing. So keeping food in the freezer to preserve it for a longer time. For example, keeping meat and fish in the deep freezer. So we don't keep vegetables in the deep freezer. We only keep the chickens and fish in the deep freezer. Next is canning and bottling. You guys have seen that in shops, from shops we can get jams bottle, sauce bottle, right? These are the example of canning and bottling. Here, storing food in cans and bottles are called canning and bottling. For example, bottling of sauces and jams. Next is rest, posture and exercise. Our body needs rest for proper functioning. We need 6 to 8 hours of sleep in a day. Lack of sleep may result in improper functioning of body organs. It can make us fall ill. Therefore, staying up late is not a good idea. So we all know the proverb that early to bed and early to rise. We should go to bed early and get up early in the morning also. We need at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep every day. Otherwise, our organs will not work properly and we may fall ill. Next is posture. What is the posture? Posture means the position in which we hold our body while we are standing or sitting. Posture refers to body positions. It is important for us to keep our backs upright while standing or sitting. So, while we are standing or sitting, we should keep our back straight. Okay? Incorrect posture over a long period of time can lead to pain in joints or muscles. If you don't sit or stand straight, then you may have joint pain or muscle pain. Next, exercise is important to stay healthy. Regular exercise and playing outdoor games such as hockey, football and cricket help us to stay fit. Yoga, an ancient method of exercise practiced in India, also helps in keeping our body fit. Nowadays, children don't go to outside for playing, right? They always love to stay indoor and play with mobile or video games, or they want to see the television, right? But it's not correct. You should play all the outdoor games like hockey, cricket, football at least 1 hour daily. It will keep your body fit and healthy. So every day we should do some exercise or outdoor games. It will keep us healthy and fit. Okay students. So this chapter is completed. I will share MCQ questions from this chapter. And after this video, I will send you a worksheet on this. And if you have any queries regarding